Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, February the 19th, 2021. In this additional, we have here a Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars. We have a tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, binary puzzle number 1, and a binary puzzle 2. 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, only 4 of them. The 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. I will solve today. And the first one will be number 2353. 2353. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Actually, all of them has 25 printed digits. So the publisher has published all those Sudokus with 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this second row, so no 2 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright, this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square. So no 3s in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then. 129. Okay. How about these 3 missing numbers in the second row? Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. 1, 7, and the 9. 1, 7, and 9, and look, we have a 1 and a 7 here in this column. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. Those numbers are the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then. Let me see. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 2 and the 4 here. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 6. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. The 5 and the 1 is missing in the first row. We see here the 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Yes. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 9. Okay. 2, 4, 8. Okay. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5, okay? 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2 for the number 1. Alright. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. In the middle column, 3 missing numbers. In the middle column, one of the missing numbers is 9. Yes, the 9 is missing here. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Yes. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. The middle column, we have 2 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 in this box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Yes. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. Yeah, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column. Yeah. Okay. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in these two boxes. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. That means the other pair in this big square are the numbers 8 and the 3. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. Two boxes left in this column. The 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 7. One box left in this row for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. One number left in the second column for the number 9. No, 9 we have. 2 is missing here. 2 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4 and this should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This box should be the 9 and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great. 3 stars Sudoku. I like this one, but is it really a 3 stars? No, I think whether a 1 star or 2 stars Sudoku. No, if it's a 3 stars I need 20 minutes or more, but I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku in this additional, a Sudoku with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.